Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a barcode for different products in Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see I have made a table for some products with their IDs and I have to create a barcode over here. So let's start. Like every Excel formula, we will start with equal, double quotes, and inside double quotes just enter star and then ampersand sign. Now click on this cell, again ampersand sign, again double quotes, and inside double quotes just put in star and press enter. Now you can just hold from here and drag it down. Select all these cells, go to your fonts and search over here Libre Barcode 39 and just press enter. You can see these IDs are converted into barcodes. If you don't have Libre Barcode 39 in your Microsoft Excel, then you can just download them from internet and install them. Hopefully they would work for you. Thanks for watching.